Welcome to the project demonstration of mini belt grinder using DC power source. So here we are using DC power source to run this grinder. This grinder was attached to these two wheels, and the below wheel was attached to the 1000 RPM Johnson DC motor, which can provide us the 5 kg torque. So the main purpose of this project is we can utilize this for industrial purpose for low power consumption by using this DC power source only, and we can use the battery also. In real time we can go with the renewable sources, solar or wind, and from there to we are going to charge a battery, and from the battery to the grinder motor. So here this grinder motor consists of two stages. One is the base motor and next is the gearbox. So here we can see that. So the below is the motor one and the above is the gearbox. So the below one is a 18,000 RPM DC motor, and the gearbox will reduce that to 1000 RPM. So it means 18,000 to 1000 RPM gate reduction was happening, so that we can provide us the more torque, and that torque was given as input to these two pulleys, that means two wheels, and replace the grinder belt. So let us see the demonstration.